Critical thinking is a vital skill that empowers individuals to analyze information, evaluate arguments, and make informed decisions. At its core, critical thinking involves questioning assumptions, recognizing biases, and considering multiple perspectives before arriving at a conclusion. In today's fast-paced world, where we are bombarded with information from various sources, the ability to think critically is more important than ever. In this video, we'll explore the significance of critical thinking in both personal and professional contexts. Whether you're navigating everyday challenges or making strategic decisions at work, critical thinking helps you approach problems with clarity and confidence. It encourages creativity and innovation, allowing you to devise effective solutions rather than simply reacting to situations. By honing your critical thinking skills, you not only enhance your decision-making abilities, but also improve your communication and collaboration with others. So, join us as we dive deeper into the world of critical thinking and discover how it can transform your life and career. Defining critical thinking. Critical thinking is a disciplined process that involves actively analyzing, evaluating, and synthesizing information to form a reasoned judgment. At its core, critical thinking comprises several key elements, including analysis, evaluation, interpretation, and inference. Analysis involves breaking down complex information into manageable parts, while evaluation focuses on assessing the credibility and relevance of sources. Interpretation helps us understand the meaning behind data, and inference allows us to draw logical conclusions based on the evidence presented. What sets critical thinking apart from regular thinking is its structured approach. While regular thinking may rely on gut feelings or assumptions, critical thinking demands a systematic examination of facts and arguments. For example, when deciding what to buy at the grocery store, a critical thinker would compare prices, read labels, and consider nutritional value rather than simply choosing the most appealing product. In everyday situations, critical thinking can be seen when someone evaluates news articles for bias or when a team collaborates to solve a problem by weighing various solutions before making a decision. This thoughtful approach leads to better outcomes in both personal and professional life. Importance in personal success. Critical thinking plays a crucial role in personal growth by fostering self-reflection and informed decision-making. When individuals engage in critical thinking, they take the time to assess their beliefs, values, and choices, leading to greater self-awareness. This self-reflection allows for more thoughtful decisions, whether it's choosing a career path, managing finances, or navigating personal relationships. Moreover, critical thinking enhances problem-solving skills by encouraging individuals to approach challenges methodically instead of reacting impulsively. A critical thinker evaluates the situation, considers various solutions, and anticipates potential outcomes. For instance, when faced with a conflict at work, a critical thinker might analyze the root cause and explore different ways to address it, ultimately leading to a more effective resolution. Additionally, critical thinking improves relationships through better communication. By actively listening and considering others' perspectives, individuals can engage in more meaningful conversations. This leads to fewer misunderstandings and stronger connections. For example, a couple who practices critical thinking in their discussions is likely to resolve conflicts more amicably, fostering a healthier and more supportive relationship. Importance in professional success. Critical thinking is essential in the workplace, significantly enhancing decision-making processes in business. When professionals apply critical thinking, they can analyze data, assess risks, and evaluate potential outcomes more effectively. This leads to informed decisions that can drive a company's success. For instance, a marketing team that critically evaluates consumer feedback can adjust their strategies to better meet customer needs, ultimately boosting sales. In addition to decision-making, critical thinking plays a vital role in teamwork and collaboration. It encourages open dialogue and the sharing of diverse perspectives, which can lead to innovative solutions. When team members engage in critical thinking, they are more likely to challenge assumptions and explore new ideas, fostering a culture of creativity and collaboration. Successful leaders often exemplify critical thinking in their approach. For example, leaders like Satya Nadella of Microsoft have transformed their organizations by promoting a growth mindset and encouraging teams to think critically about challenges. By valuing critical thinking, these leaders inspire their teams to innovate and adapt, ensuring long-term success in a competitive landscape. Problem solving with critical thinking. Critical thinking is a powerful tool for effective problem solving, guiding individuals through a structured process to reach sound conclusions. The steps involved in critical thinking for problem resolution typically include identifying the problem, gathering relevant information, analyzing the data, generating potential solutions, evaluating those solutions, and finally, implementing the best option. This systematic approach ensures that all aspects of a problem are considered before making a decision. For instance, consider a project manager facing delays in a product launch. By applying critical thinking, they would first identify the root causes of the delays, such as resource allocation or communication issues. Next, they would gather input from team members, analyze the information, and brainstorm solutions, like reallocating resources or adjusting timelines. The benefits of this structured approach are significant. It minimizes the risk of overlooking critical factors, encourages collaboration, and leads to more effective and sustainable solutions. Ultimately, critical thinking not only resolves immediate issues, but also equips individuals with the skills to tackle future challenges with confidence and clarity, making informed decisions. Critical thinking significantly enhances the decision-making process by enabling individuals to make better informed choices. When faced with a decision, critical thinkers systematically evaluate the available information, considering various perspectives and potential outcomes. This thorough analysis helps to clarify the implications of each option, leading to more confident and rational decisions. A crucial aspect of this process is weighing the pros and cons of each alternative. By listing the advantages and disadvantages, individuals can visualize the potential impact of their choices. For example, when deciding whether to accept a job offer, a critical thinker would assess factors such as salary, company culture, and career growth opportunities against the drawbacks, like commute time or work-life balance. In personal decisions, such as choosing a college or buying a home, critical thinking allows individuals to consider long-term implications rather than making impulsive choices. In professional settings, leaders who apply critical thinking when launching new products or entering markets can better anticipate challenges and align their strategies with organizational goals. This structured approach ultimately leads to more effective and satisfying outcomes in both personal and professional realms. Improving relationships. Critical thinking plays a vital role in fostering better relationships by enhancing effective communication and understanding among individuals. When people engage in critical thinking, they are more likely to listen actively and articulate their thoughts clearly. This clarity in communication reduces misunderstandings and promotes a more open dialogue, allowing for deeper connections. Moreover, critical thinking encourages individuals to consider different perspectives. By recognizing that others may have unique experiences and viewpoints, individuals can approach conversations with empathy and respect. For instance, in a workplace setting, a team member who practices critical thinking might seek to understand a colleague's concerns about a project rather than dismissing them outright. This willingness to explore differing opinions can lead to more collaborative solutions. In terms of conflict resolution, critical thinking can be invaluable. For example, during a disagreement between friends, applying critical thinking allows both parties to analyze the situation, identify the underlying issues, and brainstorm potential compromises. This structured approach not only resolves the conflict, but also strengthens the relationship by building trust and mutual respect. Ultimately, critical thinking paves the way for healthier, more fulfilling interactions. In summary, critical thinking is an essential skill that significantly impacts both personal and professional success. Throughout this video, we've explored how critical thinking enhances decision-making, fosters effective communication, and improves problem-solving abilities. By engaging in critical thinking, individuals can make informed choices, understand diverse perspectives, and navigate conflicts more effectively, ultimately leading to stronger relationships and better outcomes in various aspects of life. We encourage you to practice critical thinking in your daily routines, whether it's through self-reflection, analyzing information, or collaborating with others. The more you incorporate these skills, the more adept you will become at tackling challenges and making sound decisions. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and colleagues who could benefit from enhancing their critical thinking skills. Together, let's cultivate a community that values thoughtful analysis and informed decision-making. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.